Me and my good friends Yoobin and Jae have 3 days to explore the Emigrant Wilderness. We're gonna be camping, trout fishing, and just having a great time. If you're into that sort of thing, grab a beer, grab a Coke Zero, grab anything, and let's go. Unlike most places here in the Emigrant Wilderness, there's no quota on permits. So that means there can be a lot of crowds, a lot of people. So all these lakes close to the trailhead is often overfished. So you have to hike really far, and that's what we're doing today. Last time I was here, I ran into a lad who mentioned Buck Lakes. He told me it was great fishing. So we're gonna see if he was telling the truth. The only caveat, it's about 14 miles from the trailhead, but we don't know if we're gonna make it all the way there today. There's a lake at the 8-mile mark called Piute Lake. A bunch of incline just came out of nowhere. But we're gonna see what happens when we get there. We're gonna see how we feel.
Yo.
We finally made it to the site. Got the Crocs on. Life's good. I forgot to mention that we did not make it to Buck Lake today. We made it to Piute Lake. We could not go another 6 miles after getting here. But yeah, time to saw some wood. Ay! Oh my God! Okay.
Dude, you're so perfect.
It's got some moisture, but I think it'll do. I don't know too much about this stuff. Oh, I'm slowing down. Oh. This is just an insane setup.
They showed them the stabilization now. It didn't just come like that now.
We had to make it like that.
Oh, yeah.
We have a dinner table. How often do you see that?
Not often. Oh yeah. Awesome.
What a beauty. Oh. Got some shin ramen on the menu. Classic. Trying something new today. Egg crystals. Just gonna add some water. Make it into raw eggs, and we're just gonna pour it in the broth. Seen in Asian cuisine. Definitely added too much water, but
Got some of the dry bags.
oh my God, that is not doing what I thought it would do. It does not behave like a normal egg. Okay.
Sure.
Well, I guess I'll just add it for the calories and protein.
You'll be fine.
Oh God, this might have been a bad idea. So now I have egg water soup. That is a fail. It is currently 11:40 p.m. and I am absolutely beat. Got 4 hours of sleep last night, so I'm gonna try to catch up on some sleep tonight. Today was fun, but tomorrow is gonna be epic. Yoobin did not bring enough food, so I gotta work overtime to catch this man some fish, make sure he eats good tomorrow. Yeah, that's it for tonight. See you tomorrow. So I'm eating my second to last meal, real meal, which is a shin ramen again and a chicken packet. Besides the pastaroni, I wouldn't really classify this as a meal. I don't know if it's the best decision because tomorrow we still have the full day today, and tomorrow we have 14 miles back to the car. With only one real meal left, I really need to catch fish for me and them because they don't have much food either. We didn't do a whole lot of planning for this one for the food, so if not, then we're gonna be starving on the hike back tomorrow. So, is it a wasp? Yeah, I was hoping it wasn't a wasp. This is Gem Lake, just 2 miles away from the last lake. Really pretty, but you can't camp here. But we do see a tent over there. Rule breakers. Let's keep going. Taking a break and I went to spit. Spit all over my leg, man. It'll cool me down. We finally made it to Buck Lake. Well, actually Upper Buck Lake, because it's actually called Buck Lakes. So it's comprised of 3 lakes, Upper, Middle, and Lower Buck Lake. And as you can see, it is huge. We're not sure which lake yet we're gonna camp at. We're gonna walk around a bit. But yeah, this is beautiful. I'm just standing here looking at the water and I already see at least 3 trout here. So that is a really good sign. I haven't seen any trout in any lake that we've passed by yet. So things are looking good. We'll see what happens. We've decided to just start fishing right now. Set up camp later. Got to try to capitalize on these fish we're seeing here. Just 3 trout right in front of me. Oh my, that's an eagle. Oh my God. Holy. Oh my God, that was huge. So we gave up on Upper Buck Lake. Those fish were not biting, and then I got a pretty bad knot. I had to cut the line, and then I just kind of gave up from there. So here we are at Lower Buck Lake, and this place is beautiful. I think it's still huge, a little smaller than Upper, but it has so much granite everywhere. It's so pretty. And we found the perfect campsite tucked away in this little nook with a big campfire right next to the water. So this is home for the night. First 10 minutes and I was just messing around, scoping out the waters, and I cooked a huge one, but he came off right here. But at least we know there's fish here. No way that was the only fish, man. I'm on. I got one. Oh, no way. First 5 casts at the new spot. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, this feels so good. This feels amazing. We got one, holy cow. That was maybe like an hour. Feels so good. Here he is, gutted and cleaned. Nice meat inside, little rainbow trout. Now, if I can catch 2 more, one for each of us, that would be a dream. But got an awesome way to cook this up. Brought a whole lemon as you saw. It's gonna be awesome.
Yes.
Right there.
Yeah.
Sweet. Well, we've tried for quite a while to catch another fish. It's 8 p.m. I think I caught the first one around 3. Some things just aren't meant to be. So we're having a 1 trout sampler for 3. This fish has been sitting here for like, I don't even know how long. Hopefully we don't get food poisoning. Lemon. Some olive oil on him.
Oh yeah, the fire in the background.
Some garlic salt. Taco seasoning. Lemon pepper. We're just putting everything we got in this fish inside. Probably should have done that. Oh, perfect fit. Looks good to me. I am on my second.
Oh, you took up the other one?
Yeah. All right, let's open this little package of goodness. Wish we could have caught 3, but 1 is better than none, huh?
Oh yeah.
Woo-wee. Smells really good. This is ready. All right, I'm just gonna try it. Oh.
Talk to us. It's juicy.
The meat is so soft.
Not a big fish for 3 hungry men, but it sure is delicious. Yeah. Nice play. Wait, hold on. Oh. Let me taste this lemon. What the hell?
Nothing came out.
Hey, this lemon isn't sour. Try that.
Lemonade.
This is not sour at all, dude. Okay, the lemon from my backyard is not sour at all. We're just finding out now. I think it's a Myers lemon.
Good morning, though.
Made quick work of that boy. This is our setup for the night. Like a little village over here. Oh yeah. Gotta wear the earplugs though. That's it for tonight. We got a long day tomorrow, but I still want to try to catch a fish tomorrow in the morning. That'd be nice. They built a little furnace over the fireplace. If we could give that a shot, that would be super cool. So that's it for tonight. See you in the morning. Oh my God, I'm on one. Oh my God, no! I lost him, no. He was decent sized too. Oh, maybe there's a chance.
Oi. Come on. Oh, what was that? Keep in mind, boys, I haven't caught a fish in America yet. I want it. Oh, ah, it's too short. Wrong direction. I swear to God, I felt something. One more? One more, last one. I swear to God, I felt him bite it twice. Or something nibbling it.
Well, I fished for about 2 hours this morning and hooked one, got away. Some things just aren't meant to be. So we got a long hike back home. So I think this is probably the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we got a lot more coming. See you in the next one.